So my name is John Barnes. I grew up here in Rigby, Idaho. I've known Dr. Robert Ellis, for my whole life pretty much. We lived a few miles away. I got into the dental making crowns and basically crown and bridge lab. About 1990, I went to school down in Utah at John Archibald Associates, which he is a dental technician for Gordon Christensen, a big name in research in dental technology and products, materials and stuff like that. I was working up in St. Anthony for quite a few years, and then Robert came to town and I started working with him as well. We have worked together since I started in 1990, he started in 2001 or 2000. And it's been good. It's been good to it. I think that we work good together. Our main concern is the patient. If you know Robert, he's pretty meticulous on just about everything he does. And he goes a little bit overboard, and that's okay because we're good friends and we kind of share the same philosophy. We try to go the extra mile. I've done this for, like I say, for quite a bit. In 2013, 14 is when I went into the technology of the digital part. Before that, it was all craftsmanship, hands-on, casting, just like a gold crown and stuff. But in 2014, it went digital, and now we do a lot with computers and scanning and stuff, which makes it a lot easier on the patient. Plus, we have kind of a file, so if something happens with the crown, we can actually quickly make that same crown again and change it or modify it, which helps quite a bit.